And since we're playing in the key of G, we'll be playing some more chords that are more related to the key of G. You already know most of them, but we already know G7, but the first chord on page 30 is G. So if you play G7, take off your first finger and put your fourth finger on G, you have G. Then we have G7, then we have the C chord, you already know that. G diminished, look at that. Look at that, 4, 2, 3, 1. Then we have the G chord, the D7, which you haven't played yet, G, and then since we're playing the G chord like that, we can play the C chord with the G on top. So exercise 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming up with the G diminished. And in the key of G, we also have these minor chords. E minor, A minor. Here's a chord that goes to E minor a lot, B7, and E minor again. Exercise 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise 3 on top of 31 is a combination of all the chords that you just had on page 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. B7, E minor, C, G, G diminished. Rest. The B7 usually is the hardest one to get. But if you notice, when we play E minor, our lowest note is B with our second finger. If we keep that down and then keep that anchored, we can usually get the B7 fairly quickly. Just think about getting your fourth finger on the second fret, third finger on the second fret of the third string. Also, if we're playing A minor and we need to go to B7, we just move our second finger up to B and keep our third finger down on A. It's economy of motion that is very important. We need to watch out that we don't waste movement. The easier it is to go from one note to the other, that's the way to play the chords.